Welcome to my next tutorial. We will learn in this tutorial Redux. Redux is a JavaScript library that will be used for the state management. If you are using any single page application, so Redux will be help you for the managing a state. In single page application, the data management at the client side is far so complicated that imagine. So now you can familiar that the React is relying on the state applications. Okay, so Redux really mean to helpful tool for managing a state from to the for the storing a data. Okay, in your locals. Why Redux is most popular in JavaScript community? Because they bring the open-ended approach to solve this. These are solutions enable the developer to implement the single page application. Okay, now let's take the some design. Take the diagram to the Redux how it will be work through the user. Suppose view has a interface, so user has click on the button and it will be fired some actions. That action will be handled into the reducer, and reducer will store the data into store, and whenever the user want to get the data, yeah, any user, it will be a get from the store. Okay, now take the example of the Redux. Now I'm opening a Redux app. Actually I'm increasing a font size, so that why is it taking a time. It's 18, so that is will be visible to you. So now in run the Redux, you need to install the npm install Redux. This will be command for installing the Redux. So I have already installed, I will not install this. Okay, now go to the example. I'm using the Redux, import the Redux by using the require keyword. Redux. In last diagram we see there is a store. So Redux will have a store that is name is a create store that will handle your that will store the your uh, state. Okay, and there is a reducer. Reducer will be used for the handling actions and perform the action, and it will be return the initial state. Actually Redux reducer is a pure function that will be take the two arguments, state and actions. Action is there's a state will be a initial state, I am creating as a object. Okay, now I am passing the counter colon 0. Okay, now assign this to initial state. Okay, now before you can use a reducer, you can pass the this reducer to the store. How can you do this? Using the create store method. That will be passed to the reducer. Okay, now I am console dot log. Okay, that store has a method get state. This is a method from the store method. Okay, this will be a print your initial state. That will perform in print your state. Now you can see it is printing a initial state because I am nothing to do. I'm not applying any actions. So that's why it's printing a 0. If you want to perform some operations, so there is a one method is there, uh, that is a dispatch method. Dispatch method is used for dispatch the actions. Okay, and according to the action it will be a perform the some actions. These actions will be handled in your reducers. Okay, actions dot type equal to that is initial state. Then it will be written. Now you can increase some counter by 1. Now after this, why I am do this, because reducer will be a immutable object that will be a did not perform to the that the object it will be a performed to the by the immutable string. Okay, that is a 3 dot is a spread operator that will that I have already created a spread operator. I created on that the tutorial. You can see my checkout to the ES6 features. You can see here what is the spread operator. It basically spread operator perform onto the operation from the array on objects. Okay, now I am run. Now you can see here it is printing to the counter one because of I am dispatching these methods. Okay, now suppose uh, I am dispatching action after the console log, and then I console. So you can see it is printing the counter one, but the counter actually increased by the again one. So it is print, it should print to the print to the counter 2, but it did not print because I am using a console before of the dispatch. To solve this problem, this has a one method is there. There is a subscribe. This method will be used will be called whenever your all when your dispatch method is called. Okay, so after that method I am putting inside this. Okay, now I am save this file and go to the command line and run this. So now you can see it is printing to the counter because of subscribe method. Okay friends, so if you like this tutorial too, please press the bell icon and click on subscribe button, and if you like the video, please like the button like this video. Okay, thanks for watching.